Our nice pour has had problems. Used a melamine frame without waxing it or oiling it, and it is stuck. So epoxy will stick to plastics, and it's done a good job. So now we've got to cut this off for the planer and finish off with a belt sander to take it all off. Not the end of the world, just needs a bit more work. But in future, we're going to make sure we use some release agent on our moulds. So this is the piece we bombed the course on. Had the planer on it and took most of the timber off, and now we're using the chisel and just chiseling away. Put the heat gun down low. And once you get it warm, the melamine just peels away. Works really easy. Where the timber's a bit thicker, it takes a bit more effort, but see how that just peeled off? So once you get the heat on it, and get the heat up around the 80 degrees C, it'll soften and release. Just like that. We've hit a snag. The duct tape hasn't worked. Epoxy's a bugger at finding its way out. So even though we taped this up very well, the epoxy's found its way out through the duct tape, and we're just going to have to let it run out and do its thing, and then once it's cured, give it a sand up, take the gloss off it and pour again. Not the end of the world, but it's a bugger. So important when you seal up to do things like this, you got to be very careful how you set up so that the stuff won't leak out everywhere.